Hello and welcome to today's Technical Corner. I'm joined by ZCC Cutting Tools and we're going to be talking about solid carbide milling. Welcome to the show. Can you talk us through some of your ranges?
Yeah, so this range of product from ZCC is our general standard classification. We have GMs, PMs and HMs. The range is general machining for GMs, PMs performance machining, HMs for hard machining. So basically it's a full complement of diameters from 0.3 up to 20 mil with different coatings, different grinds for different application materials.
Okay, talk about, so presumably this is the cost-effective entry-level model, mid-expense, and that's the more premium. But what is actual difference?
So the GM range is coated in our KMG 303 coating. So this is capable for machining materials up to 45 Rockwell. The PM's in a more performance range, so it'd be material groups 55 Rockwell, and then obviously hard machining is slightly different, and these are capable of 72 Rockwell. Okay,
72 Rockwell. Yeah. So how about the base carbide? Obviously the coatings, we can see they're different, but obviously for different materials, different coatings. But how about the substrate, the base carbide?
So the rod, the solid carbide rod material we use is our own, very strong core product, and we believe that the combination between the core strength of the material combined with our grind, the coatings that we use offers us a cost-effective but very high performance in the marketplace.
So obviously globally, ZCC, you're a global company. In North America, South America, Asia, everyone needs slightly different coatings, don't they? All doing different machining strategies, certainly different materials. How do you overcome that problem here in Europe?
Yeah, so the business is very flexible. So for the European market, we bring all the carbide in, drilling and milling uncoated, and then we have the flexibility to coat it for the applications that we see in our market, which is slightly more aggressive. We enter the materials harder, so we tend to coat the products with European standard, DIN standard coatings.
And how about the machines that ground on, the R&D? How much R&D goes into these products? And ZCC, where are these products made? How good's the technology in the machines?
So ZCC as a business, ZCC as a business is growing yearly. The research and development now is getting more and more. Over 10% of our revenue is research and development. Brand new facility for the solid products, over 100 square meters, and we just bought 65 5-axis grinding machines to manufacture these products. Okay. And if we move on to this middle, is it fair to say that's probably the best seller? It's a general purpose mid-range. Yeah, we see a mix of the product selling for different businesses. So for instance, smaller businesses tend to, a competitive market, there's a lot of manufacturers out there selling carbide products. So the GM classification, general machining is a big seller. But the more difficult materials, the more difficult applications, people tend to go as a start point with a PM for the performance. And then obviously if we are on hardened applications, you've got your HM range.
And are the ranges the same in terms of the product on offer? So ball nose end mill, maybe Taurus cutters and
so we go everything from pencil neck cutters through to rippers, ball nose, multi-flute end mills. So it's full complement.
So I guess it doesn't matter if, like you say, if you're a small SME, a startup company, or a large blue chip company, you've got something for everyone. But how do people find out more about your products, and more importantly, how do they buy them?
So in the UK, we have a distribution-led sales model. So we got geographical partners throughout the UK. We got social media for yourselves and through our online website, where all the information for these products are available. And at the moment, we have a current promotion where we're introducing a new EPM. So we're bringing a new EPM product out, which is a combination of both GMs and PMs. So this is now up to 55 Rockwell with a price advantage of a GM.
Yeah, interesting. You talk about the kits. Kits are very popular in the marketplace. Yes. Is it fair to say this is cost effective? Can we talk about the price?
Of course, we have a current UK-wide promotion for our distribution. So the kits vary depending on if it's including size 16. So we do with and without 16 from 65 up to £125.
Really?
Yeah. So £125 for an equal pitch, unequal helix, IEM performance cutters.
So high performance, low price maybe?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We want to get the product into the marketplace. It's been very successful for us, and the kits have been very good proposal since we brought them in. And
thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and for more information about any of these products, get in touch with the guys at ZCC.
thank you.